First thing you gotta do is toast your bun. Now I'm gonna take the rest of this stick of butter. I'm gonna put my onion. And I got some jalapenos. All right, my buns are toasted. Today I got these little sliders. They were cheaper than the regular beef. So. Fun part, we're gonna smash them. We're gonna have one of these carne super. Got some provolone cheese. How's that look? Does that look alright? Put a little mayonnaise on it. Smash burgers. It's such a fast cook. You gotta have all your stuff ready when you head out there. So good.